Hey, I got a tune for you today by Michael Jackson. This is from his Dangerous album, starting on a new album today, and the first song on the album is called Jam. This is one of those basically almost two-chord songs, and this song is mainly D minor and G. There are a couple of others in there, but there's where I'm going to play the D minor 7. Root position would be here, D, F, A, C. You could start it on the A though, the 5th, move those top 2 notes down, and you got it here. And I'm playing a D in the bass. Sometimes I'm playing 2 like that, and 2 Gs. And you can groove, man. That's your G7. If you're feeling spicy, you can play this chord. That's G13, or this one with a 9 as well. And the melody is kind of weirdly placed. It starts on a C. Ah, nation to nation, all the world must come together. Right? Nation to nation, all the world must come together. Face the problems that we see, then maybe somehow we can work it out. I asked my neighbor for a favor, she said later, what has come of all the people? Have we lost of love? Bit of a tongue twister there. Have we lost love of what it's all about? Now we go to F major, right? So we do have an F major in there. I have to find my peace cause no one seems to let me be. Up to G. False prophets cry of doom, what are the possibilities? Back to the D minor. I told my brother there'll be problem times and tears for fears we must. You gotta sing the rhythm right there. The rhythm is, I told my brother there'll be problem times and tears for fears. We must live each day like it's the last. Go with it, jam. It ain't too much, no, it ain't, don't you? It ain't too much for me, now jam. It ain't too much, no, it ain't, don't you? It ain't too much for me. And we always hit the G7 there. Ain't too much for me. So almost a 2-chord song, but just an F in there. Let us come to all the people, have we lost love of what it's all about? I have to find my peace cause no one seems to let me be. False prophets cry, do what are the possibilities? And then we've got this other melody section. And we've got ba 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 ba, which is pretty hard to figure out. I was trying to figure it out. Something like that. Bum, 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 bum. That part is in the horns though. And then we've got the rap which comes in, which I was also just trying to learn and play along with the 2 chords, D minor and G. So let me just get those lyrics back and you will see that it is possible. You can play the piano and sing that rap. And the rap goes, jam, 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 here comes the man, hot damn. The big boy stands with an upper hand, making fucking tracks with my man Michael Jackson. Smooth criminal hat, the man is Mike, so relaxed. Smooth criminal hat, the man is Mike, so relaxed. Pretty difficult and a bit of a tongue twister, but mingle, mingle, jingle in the jungle. Bomb rush the door, 3 and 4s in a bundle. Execute the plan, first I cool it like a fan. Go with Janet, then we're gonna knock because it ain't too hard to jam. It's a pretty quick rap. It's pretty fun to do as well. Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn. The big boy stands with another hand, making fucking tracks with my man Michael Jackson. Smooth criminal hat, the man is Mike, so relaxed. Mingle, mingle, jingle in the jungle. Bomb rush the doors, 3 and 4s in a bundle. Execute the plan first, cool it like a band. Double turn it, then we're gonna knuckle cause it ain't too hard to jam. And we're back into the chorus. It ain't too much stuff, it ain't too much. It ain't too much, ain't too much for me. Just jam, doggone it. It ain't too much stuff, it ain't, don't you, it ain't too much for me to jam, And it goes round and round that to end the song. It ain't too hard for me to jam. We've got to break down a bridge, It ain't so hard for me to jam. It ain't so hard for me to jam. It ain't so hard for me to jam. But there's no piano for that part really. It's just a breakdown with the electronic stuff. And then we finish with that chorus. It ain't too hard for me to jam. Just jam. It ain't too much. And that's basically the whole song. Almost a 2-chord song, very almost. We've just got F and G, a little bit there in the middle. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully you're enjoying this content on the channel, learning piano, and I'll see you in the next one from the Dangerous album. Check out the Roland FP-30X. If you need a piano, you'll find it in the description and the pinned comment as well as my other music gear. This is a pretty good one, I think, in my opinion. I've had it a few years. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.